How to make a business guide on IdeaBuddy. In order to successfully do that, you just need to head over and then click on this business guide that you can see right here. Click on this, or you can also click on this one. Click on this, and then once you have clicked on that, it will direct you to the next page where you can see in here the concept, research, setup, projections, and so once you have worked with that, you can see this idea wherein you can check that if you're done with that. And once you have clicked on that, it will also show you this one. If this is the progress, if you have the executive summary, if you can see here the market, as well as a lot more. So you can see in this that you can use IdeaBuddy. So head over and click on that, and then this will help you with your market problem solution. So this will actually show you the tips that you can use for your particular market. So for example, you can head over and then use this cases right here. So you can head over and copy that if you want, maybe to say later. Now you can also put that right here on your executive summary if we want, since this will be your market research generated by IdeaBuddy. And then in here you can choose in here the template that you want to use. Just to choose this, click on this pencil icon. And then you can also use in your IdeaBuddy again to generate a suggestion for you. Head over and click on that, and then this will generate a suggestion. So just wait for this to generate the suggestions for you, and you can see here in this case. So you can actually click on them in order to copy them, and you can save them right. Once you have done that, we have now executive summary, the problem research. You can also add some notes if we're done with that. Now, the next thing to do is just look on this next right here, and it should be redirected. So these are all part of the concept. So you just need to fill out the idea, product, services, everything that you can see right here on your setup, research, and projections. Once you're done with that, you should be able to make your business guide on IdeaBuddy. So that's how you make a business guide on IdeaBuddy. Hope you help.